Look at this question. In this figure, PQR is a tangent. Understood? PQR is a tangent to the circle at Q. Okay. PQR is a tangent drawn at the point Q, whose center is at O. AB is a chord. AB is a chord parallel to PR. Parallel to PR, and angle BQR equal to 70 degree. Find angle AQB. It's a difficult question. Angle AQB is our question. Let me draw the picture again. Here, what is given in this question? What is given? This AB and PQR, they are parallel lines. Understood? It is given in the question. AB and PQR are parallel. Is that okay? Clear? Given in the question. My question is, I have to find angle AQR, AQB, right? Angle AQB I have to find out. What we can do? Here, we know that if we have a parallel lines, can I write this angle? I will tell you. This angle will be what? This angle will be 70 degree. Have you understood the reason? Because this is 70, then this is also 70, because they are said to be the alternate angles. Because you studied in the chapter lines and angles, we have two parallel lines. Understood? We have two parallel lines. These two parallel lines cut by another inclined line. Can you see that? I will show you. These two parallel lines cut by another inclined line. Look at this. This is the inclined line. Clear? This inclined line is cut by the two parallel lines. So this angle and this angle will be equal. These two angles are said to be alternate angles. The alternate angles are equal. We studied in that chapter. I will repeat. There are two parallel lines. The two parallel lines cut by an inclined line like this. Then the alternate angles are equal. So this angle and this angle are equal. So I got this angle of 70 degree. Is that okay? Okay, that part is clear. Then I got it as 70 degree. So let me write that step first. Whatever information you got, you have to write it. So solution. So what we can write, angle B and angle BQR are alternate angles. Clear? Alternate angles, they are equal. Hence angle B is equal to 70 degree. Clear? Then any other angle I can find out. This angle is 90 degree. Have you understood the reason? I will explain the reason. That angle will be 90 degree because look here, this line and this line are parallel. Understood? Clear? If we have a two parallel lines, it is cut by another line. Understood? I will show that. This cut by another line like this. It is up vertical, but the two parallel lines cut by another line need not be inclined. It may be vertical also. This total angle will be 90. We know that. This angle is 90. What is the reason? What is the reason? That we studied. It is a theorem. The angle between tangent and the line joining center and point of contact. OQ. OQ is the line joining center and point of contact. The angle between tangent and the radius through the point of contact 90 degree. Since it is 90 degree, this angle is also 90. Correct? Because these two lines are parallel. These two lines are parallel. If it is 90, this one is also 90 degree. The reason, if you want the reason, I will tell you. We have two parallel lines. Cut by another line. Then the sum of the co-interior angles will be 180. You studied that in the chapter. lines and angles. Sum of the co-interior angles. Interior angles will be 180. You see that these two are the interior angles, right? One is 90 degree. This angle is 90 degree. So this angle is also 90 because sum must be 180 degree. So the two parallel lines cut by a line. Okay, this line is cut by this line. So the interior angles, one interior angle is this one, the other one is this one. Their sum is 180. Since it is 90 degree, this one is also 90 degree. Clear? You have to mark that in the picture. You have to mark in the picture. This is 90 degree. Okay. So that part is clear. Let me delete. Okay. This angle is 90 degree. Then this angle is also 90. You know that. The total clear in this linear pair, this is total 180. If it is 90, this one is 90. So you have to write the reason. The reason is angle OQR. Clear? Angle OQR is 90 degree. We know the reason. What is the reason? I have already explained the line segment joining the center and point of contact perpendicular to tangent. So angle OQR 90 degree. Hence angle let this point be some let us put some name for this. Let it be C. Okay, angle OCB 90 degree. Clear? Angle OCB 90 degree. Have you understood the reason? Okay. So angle OCB 90 degree. So this side is also 90. I mean this angle is also 90. This angle OCA is also 90. This implies angle OCA also 90 degree. Clear? So I can easily prove that this angle A is 70 degree. Actually this picture look like an isosceles triangle. Since it is 70 degree, I can easily prove that this angle A also 70 degree. It is not difficult. For that purpose, we will prove that these two triangles are congruent. I will prove that. Right now I am going to prove that these two triangles, triangle 1 and this triangle 2. You can see two right angle triangles. Right now I will prove that this 1 and 2 are congruent, identical. If they are identical, their corresponding angle will be same. I am going to prove that. Triangle QCA is there, right? Triangle QCA. Let me write here. Triangle QCA. Triangle QCA and triangle QCB are identical triangles or congruent triangles. Why? One reason is they share the common side. QC equal to QC. Understood? QC is the common side of triangle 1 and triangle 2. Is that okay? Any other thing? This angle, look at this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Both of them are equal to 90 degree. Clear? They are right angle triangles. Angle QCA of first triangle equal to angle QCB. Of the second triangle, both of them equal to 90 degree. QCA equal to QCB, both of them 90 degree. And one more thing is AC equal to BC. Why AC equal to BC? You studied last year. You have studied the reason last year. AC equal to BC. This is because from origin, from center, I have drawn a perpendicular to the chord AB. AB is a chord. Understood? AB is a chord. From center O, I have drawn a perpendicular to the chord OC. So, the perpendicular to the chord will bisect the chord. Studied last year. So, AC equal to BC. So, we proved that two sides are equal to the side, okay, common sides, let me write here. Sides are equal for both the triangles, sides are equal, angles are equal, sides are equal. Clear? For both the triangles, QC is the common side, they are equal. BC equal to AC, sides are equal. The included angle are also equal. The included angle are also equal. Side, angle, side. By SAS rule. By SAS rule, congruency rule, the triangle QCA identical with the triangle QCB. Triangle 1 and triangle 2 are identical, congruent. So I can say that angle A equal to 70 degree. Why angle A equal to 70? By CPCT. Corresponding angles are equal, corresponding sides are equal. 1 and 2 are identical, hence this angle is 70 degree. Now we have look at this triangle, highlighted triangle. Focus on this highlighted triangle. I want angle Q. This angle is our question. Angle AQB is our question. For this triangle, sum of all angles is 180 degree. Clear? So sum of all angles 180 degree. So let me write here angle AQB plus 70 is equal to 180 degree. The sum of all angles of a triangle 180. So angle AQB plus 140 equal to 180. Or angle AQB is equal to 180 minus 140. So the answer is 40 degree. Okay.